Hi, and welcome to the walkthrough on how to use Who's Next to make a tutoring appointment. So you can get to Who's Next a few different ways. The easiest to remember is to go to genesee.edu, log into My GCC. Remember, this is single sign-on, so you're going to have to use your net ID at genesee.edu and then enter your password. From here, you're going to select the Student tab. And below Tutoring Services, you can see the link to go to Who's Next. Once you click on that, it's going to take you to the Genesee Community College Who's Next login, and you can make sure you're there by making sure it says who's-next.com up in the top of the browser. From here, if you are a GCC student who has already scheduled classes, you're enrolled, you're a student here, you can log in as a GCC student. If you do not yet have a GCC net ID and email address, you're going to continue as guest. For now, I'm going to log in as a GCC student. And because I just previously logged in, it's going to ask me which of these accounts I'm going to log in as. And from here, I'm going to select the Learning Center button. There are several buttons here if you wanted to receive services from those other offices. But for this case, we're going to log into the Learning Center. You have three options to work with tutors. You can meet virtually via Zoom. You can meet us here in D209 at the Batavia campus, or you can meet us in the library. I'm going to select D209. From here, I have to decide why I want to see a tutor. And it's okay if something just generally meets your needs. For example, if you wanted to have a tutor for Biology 104, you could just select biology. But we also have anatomy and physiology for students who are specifically in that class. You can see we have a variety of non-academics, such as academic success and study skills, computer tech and help, as well as reading and writing help, resume or cover letter review. Any of these are going to take you to the appropriate tutor that can help you with the subject that you are selecting. I'm going to select academic success and study skills. From here, you can select the day and time that you are looking to meet a tutor. Anything that is dark colored, so this color in black where the text is black, you can select that day. And from here, it will give you all of the half-hour time slots available to you on that day. You can look at your calendar and select which one works best for you. As long as there is a time listed, you can see that there are two tutors for this one, but usually at least one tutor is available for any of those days and times selected. We're going to select Ryan. And from here, you need to fill out your contact information. So your first name, your last name, your 800 number, your GCC email address. So remember, this isn't your net ID at Genesee EDU. This is your regular email address. You can enter your mobile phone number if you'd like to get text message notifications for this appointment. This includes a confirmation, a couple of reminders, as well as information on how to cancel your appointment. And you can also add information about how we can help you best. And so this might be that, say, you want to work with a tutor to help you with fractions, or because we're making an appointment with academic success and study skills, this could be that you need help planning for final exams, or you're getting ready to write a paper and you just don't know where to start. Once you do this, you're going to hit schedule appointment. If you've entered your mobile phone number and selected this checkbox, you're going to get a confirmation text message. Otherwise, you'll get a confirmation text message. Otherwise, you'll get a confirmation email with information on how to make this appointment, as well as if you've made the appointment virtually via Zoom, you'll receive a link to meet with that tutor specifically. There's also going to be a link at the very bottom of that email with information on how to cancel your appointment in case you can no longer make it.